You ever scroll through YouTube and think, how are these faceless channels making bank while I'm stuck watching? Good news. You don't need a fancy setup, editing skills, or even your face on camera. In fact, in 2025, you can launch a profitable YouTube channel using only AI tools and hit $300 a day with zero experience. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps: niche selection, setup, video creation, monetization, all optimized for automation. This is real, repeatable, and working right now for thousands of creators. So if you're tired of watching from the sidelines while others cash in, stick around. By the end, you'll have a step-by-step game plan you can start today. Let's go. YouTube isn't just for influencers anymore. It's a digital gold mine. And in 2025, the algorithm loves faceless content more than ever. People crave bite-sized education, motivation, and entertainment. All things you can deliver without showing your face. Automation tools now let you create, edit, voice, and publish full videos in under an hour. Plus, with multiple monetization options, a single video can generate passive income for months. It's not saturated, it's strategic. And if you follow the blueprint, you're not hoping to go viral. You're building digital real estate. That $300 a day? It's closer than you think. Your niche is your foundation. Get this wrong, and nothing sticks. The best niches in 2025 have three things: evergreen content, high CPM money per 1,000 views, and low production needs. Here are your top picks. 1. Tech and AI tools. Think tutorials, reviews, and how-tos. 2. Motivation and quotes. Daily voiceover clips with B-roll. 3. Business and side hustles. Faceless finance content is booming. 4. Fun facts and curiosities. Trivia, mysteries, deep dives. 5. Luxury and lifestyle. Watches, yachts, private jets with cinematic stock footage. Stick to one niche per channel. It signals to YouTube's algorithm exactly who to show your videos to. And here's a secret. Pick a niche you can enjoy researching, because consistency is more important than creativity at the start. Don't overthink. Pick one. Commit for 30 videos. That's your first test. Pass that, and YouTube starts pushing you. Now let's build your faceless machine. Start by creating a fresh Gmail and YouTube channel with a searchable name. Something niche relevant like Tech Explained or Success Vault. Then grab these free tools: ChatGPT for scripts, ElevenLabs or Google TTS for AI voiceovers, Pictory or InVideo for editing with stock footage, Canva for thumbnails, VidIQ or TubeBuddy for keyword research. Your process should look like this. Pick a trending topic. Generate a script with ChatGPT. Record AI voice. Match visuals in Pictory. Design thumbnail in Canva. Upload with SEO. Keep your branding consistent. Use the same font, tone, and thumbnail style across your videos. Batch your workflow. Make 5 scripts at once. Then voice all of them. Then edit all of them. You'll be surprised how fast it becomes routine. This system isn't about perfection. It's about showing up over and over until the algorithm notices. Your first 10 videos are practice. The next 10 are data. The next 10, growth. If you're starting with zero skills, here's what I recommend. Go with the quotes and motivation niche. It's beginner-friendly, high engagement, and simple to produce. All you need is daily quote or short script, calm AI voice, lo-fi or ambient music, stock footage of nature, cityscapes, or people thinking boom. That's a video. Don't believe me? Some channels with 60-second videos in this niche are pulling 1 million plus views a week, and they use 90% of the same assets across uploads. Want something trendier? Try AI Tools Explained. Just grab ChatGPT prompts, demo videos from tool websites, and add a simple explanation. Easy to research. Always new topics? Still not sure? Go on YouTube and type faceless channels plus your interest. See what's working, then model it. You don't have to reinvent anything. Just remix it with your tone, your tools, and a little persistence. The algorithm doesn't care about your face. It cares about value, and you've got that, even as a beginner. Let's make your first video today. Step 1. Pick a niche topic like 5 quotes to start your day or best free AI tools this week. Step 2. Go to ChatGPT and prompt, write a 60-second script about your topic in a casual, motivational tone. Step 3. Copy that script into ElevenLabs and download the AI voice. Step 4. Open Pictory or InVideo, upload the voiceover, and let it match stock clips to the narration. Customize visuals and add soft background music. Step 6. Head to Canva and design a clean, clickable thumbnail. Use big, bold fonts. Faces work well, even AI-generated ones. Final step. Upload to YouTube with an SEO title like 5 life-changing quotes you need today and relevant tags. Don't overthink the first one. Your job is to hit upload. You'll learn 10 times more by doing than by researching. Your first video is the hardest. Your 10th will feel automatic. Just start. One video equals one brick in your digital asset empire. Uploading is more than dragging your file and hitting publish. Here's how to maximize reach. Title. Use emotional hooks plus keywords. Example: 5 AI tools you'll wish you knew sooner. Description. Add your script, keywords, and call to action, CTA. Tags. Use 5 to 10 keywords related to your niche and video topic. Thumbnail. Make it clear, bold, and scroll-stopping. Test with Canva's Smart Mockup. Schedule. Post consistently. Pick 2 to 3 days a week and stick to it. Comments. Be the first to comment. Ask viewers a question. Engage fast. Bonus tip. Use VidiQ's AI tools to test title variations or track competitors. SEO plus consistency is how faceless channels win. Don't stress over perfection. Your goal is progress. YouTube rewards momentum, not masterpieces. Once you've got traffic, here's how to monetize. 1. YouTube Partner Program. Earn from ads. 2. Affiliate links. Promote tools and get paid per click or sale. 3. Digital products. Sell templates, guides, or Notion packs. 4. Sponsorships. Brands will pay for placement. Stack these for daily passive income. Here's the truth. Most people never start. They watch tutorials, take notes, overthink, and quit before uploading a single video. But not you. You've got the tools, the steps, and the niche. So give yourself permission to start messy. Your first videos won't be perfect. They shouldn't be. Think of this like building a money machine, one upload at a time. And if you stay consistent for 30 to 60 days, you'll have proof this works. By month 3, you could be seeing daily views and daily dollars. No camera, no skills, just systems. This is the future of content creation, and you're early. Start now, and your future self will thank you. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your first faceless channel idea? I'll reply to as many as I can. Also, check the description for free templates and tools to help you start today. This is your $300 per day roadmap. Let's build it.